Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, this one is for the kids, it's for the kid in you, it's for adults, it's for everyone. So I hope you guys enjoy this Funfetti sponge cake recipe. I made this especially for my son and I know you all are going to love it. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make, and it was gone in seconds. So you want to start with room temperature butter. I have 1 cup. I'm adding in my sugar and we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Using room temperature butter makes the difference. Now I'm just going to scrape down on the edges of the bowl. You want to make sure that you're creaming the sugar and it's being, dissolved. So continue to cream until you don't feel as much sugar crystals in that mixture. Now I'm going to add in my eggs. I'm using 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg. I want the cake to be more of a white interior so you see the colors better rather than a yellow sponge cake. You can even use all egg whites for this recipe if you wanted to. So once that comes together, we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So I'm going in with my flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour, baking powder, cinnamon powder, or if you have cake spice, and I'll add in some salt. Now we're going to sift this over that wet mixture. Now I'm going to go in and start mixing gently, and I'm going to pour in the milk. You just want to be very gentle. You don't want to over mix this. So just mix until it starts to come together. You can put in your essence at this time, but I'm now going to add in mine. I'm using clear vanilla essence so it doesn't discolor the batter. And you can find this at any supermarket in Trinidad and Tobago. So give this a mix. And now for the fun part. We're adding in those colored sprinkles. You want to use these, not the ones like you use on burfi, which are the balls. You want to use the ones that are like those little sticks that are broken up. Gently mix it into your batter. Now this has been sped up, so it looks like I'm mixing it fast, but I'm really not. And pour it into your floured and greased, or greased and floured cake pan. This is a 8-inch cake pan. It's a springform pan. Use any pan or baking dish that you have. Spread it out evenly, and it goes to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. That's how long mine took. But do keep an eye on your cake and make sure that you check it. The outside of the cake got a little crusty, so I like to cut that piece off, and my husband and I and my son enjoy that crunchy piece. But this is what the cake looks like on the inside. It's a great cake that you can use for birthday parties or any special events. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.